Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you a desk tour. This desk is from IKEA, and one of the reasons why I love this desk is because of this large desk space. I love the fact that I can work, have my planner open, and keep a glass of water or a snack all at the same time without making it look cluttered. And I keep it pretty simple, but I do love some pops of color here and there. And one of the ways that I do it is through this quote stand from the Ink Bucket. There are 10 quotes here, and I just change it depending on what's currently going on in my life. And on the other side, I have this pet therapy desk calendar. The name is just perfect. It is actually like a therapy because your mood automatically changes when you look at these cute pets here. Oh my god, this is my favorite one, so I really like to have this here. And then I also have my table lamp or desk lamp here. This one is actually thrifted. It's just perfect. It gives me proper light and it's minimal. It does not overpower the desk, and also it takes such little space on the desk surface, which I really like. These are my main products on the desk: my laptop, which I use for my work, and then my planner. I work here for the most part, but sometimes when I need a change of scenery, I just move to the other part of the house. And but for the most part, I do have my planner and my laptop with me all time when I'm working. I also have my phone alongside. And then, oh, before we move on to the drawer, I have this chair. This is from IKEA as well, and it's a pretty decent one, so nothing to complain as of now. And this one has got this large drawer, which I really like. The desk that I had earlier had two drawers, and I thought I liked that one better because I could categorize my products. But ever since I started using this desk, I love it. I love this large drawer. And here I keep stuff depending on how I use them. For example, I use my right hand to write, so I keep all my pens and like notepads and stuff here on this side. So first over here, I have this pen stand. It's made of paper. I've actually tilted it, and I feel like, I have so many pens, it would look really cluttered on the desk. So I just like to tuck it in nicely over there at the back. And on this side, I have all my pencils, colored pens, markers, highlighters, and all sorts of things. And then here I have all of my black pens. So I use two brands. One is Muji and the other one is Pigma Micron pens. And then here I do have some tiny bits: the whiteout, roller tape, sticky notes, paper clips, bookmarks, erasers, and all sorts of things. And these two are washi packs from the Happy Planner. I just have it, sometimes it comes in handy. Actually, I'm not using it as much as I used to last year, but I have it there. And then at the back, I have this ruler. I actually don't like this ruler at all, but I bought this because of this punch that's here. And I don't use the ruler a lot, so this works fine when I need it. And I also have scissors because sometimes you need them and you don't find at all, so I like to keep it here. And also I have a calculator, and this one I use it every week or once a week during my budget check-ins. And then here I have this pouch filled with all these electronic things that you need, like my storage disk, the connector that you need for Apple laptop, and I think there's a power bank and some other wire stuff. And this envelope has like notes and letters that are sent to me. And then here I have this folio, and I actually use this only in the warmer months when I go out to journal in the park. I like to take it with me because it stays protected, the book, and I can take like my pens, books along with me without like sometimes, you might forget a pen if you have to grab one while you're heading out of the house. So I like to pack everything and keep here so that I just have one thing to take out of the house. So I'm waiting for the weather to get warmer so that I can start using it again. This one, if you're interested, it is from a brand called Tote Club. I love their products. It's really nice. Check them out. They do have some bags and wallets and stuff. And over here I have two like themes of sticky notes. One is this one, like really nice marble theme, pastel colors, and the other one is a bright floral theme. I use this when I'm reading to make some notes. I mainly use like these three sizes. So yeah, I love these. And then here I have some notepads. This one I use like for most of the days if I want to break down any tasks, and this one I use if I have to brainstorm, or yeah, just basically to brainstorm things wherein I don't need to go list wise, so I need a plain one. And then here at the bottom I have another notepad, and I have another notepad here. I just pick up like here and there whenever I find a cute one, I pick it up. And this is all that's there here in the drawer. And here I have this metal basket, and I store all the products that I use in my morning routine. This is the current journal that I'm using, like just for my thought downloads and oracle card journaling. It's a new one actually. I started it a couple of days back, and this is my affirmation notebook. Every morning I write down my affirmations. And then this is my daily stoic book, which I read every day, 1 page a day. This is actually my second year reading this book. And if you're interested, I have a video about the daily stoic, giving you a review and summary. And then I also have a video about affirmations, how you can use the affirmations to achieve your goals. And I have a pen in there as well. So morning, I just pick up this basket, go to the kitchen table, and do my morning routine there while having a cup of tea. And then at the bottom I have like a whiteboard. I use that for my work when I'm working on creative projects, when I need to like brainstorm and mind map things. Here at the back I have these two hidden shelves, which comes in really handy to store all my beauty products. So this was my desk tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.